Cascades Park is a 24-acre park and riparian wetland along the stream known as the St. Augustine Branch. This was transformed from a low-lying industrial EPA Superfund site to approximately 1 acre of open water ditches and wetlands, an urban wetland ecosystem that doubles as a stormwater facility. You can now see the sustainable stream ecology with revegetated stream banks that contribute to the treatment process as water flows throughout the site, and large, naturally shaped ponds connected by meandering streams offer significant floodplain storage volume for the Capital Cascades Park facility. Noticeable almost immediately, the wide range of hydrophytes or aquatic macrophytes, both submergent and emergent. These plants affect nutrient cycles, increase water clarity, and stabilize shorelines and sediments. This broadleaf arrowhead line the water, where you can see the high water line indicating this wetland is flooded more so at times. The broadleaf arrowhead, as we have learned, is an aquatic perennial rising above water level to a height of 3 feet. The emergent leaves are arrowhead shaped, and these grow in swamps, on muddy banks, or occasionally in wet sand. Also, this heron muhly grass along the outer bank of the ponds. I don't believe this would be categorized as a wetland plant as it prefers sandy, well-drained soil, but it's definitely nice to look at. Unlike many grasses, this does not spread by underground roots. Along the edge, you can even see some cypress, which adapt to a wide range of soil types, wet, dry, and swampy. This area of the wetland was also full of cypress knees growing vertically from the roots of the tree, where the roots are at the soil sediment surface. I'm not sure what these pinkish red flowers are, as my plant identifier app let me down here, but I believe they're some sort of perennial mallow found in wetlands. In a quick dip under the water, you see a few submergent plants and sediment flurries. This water was also pretty smelly, so maybe an indication of sulfur. Oh, and it's hard to miss the green alga lining the pond. This is the filamentous alga found near the edges of lakes and ponds. From far away, it could pass as duckweed, but close up, definitely pond scum. These are living organisms as they are rich sources of nitrogen that break down quickly, and some people even use this as fertilizer because it incorporates important nutrients such as potassium and phosphorus. You can also see a lot of sedges and wetland grasses throughout the park. This waterlogged hydric soil appears light grayish, clay-like soil, gleic colored, meaning these soils have been submerged for extensive periods of time, and it was even muck-like. The dark fibrous surface layer shows a clear accumulation of organic matter. I believe these lines are oxidized root channel linings in the soil, or maybe just clay-rich zones with wavy, sandy soil lines due to iron oxides or percolating soil water, but either way, this looks cool. Ducks in this wetland also help to shuttle seeds from place to place, making for a healthier wetland biodiversity, for the benefit of all the birds and wildlife. Besides all the benefits that come with wetlands in terms of climatic stabilization, Cascades Park acts as a major detention pond serving the upstream 989 acres and effectively reducing flooding frequency.